Today I'm going to show you a big guy at the back side.
Let's see how big it can be. This is another set. And this is another set.
This set of smart locker vending machine is made for Euro market, and it consists of lockers with cooling system and lockers without cooling system.
All these lockers are controlled by this controller cabinet in the middle. There's a 22-inch touchscreen, receipt printer, bill acceptor, coin machine, and tax card reader.
If you also have the plan to launch this big guy in your country, please contact us.